yoga class number 134, Turtle Flow, Slow Flow, Hatha Yoga, presenting an energetic mudra. And this is your sneak peek into the live stream room at the guest bungalow. We live stream weekly on Fridays from 12 to 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And the classes are saved for an on-demand experience to never be deleted. All you have to do is make your way to the guest bungalow and enter the live stream room. But here in this moment, I'd like to share with you my favorite portion of the offering. We host a mat chat 15 minutes before each 1 hour yoga class to get a better feel for what the community would like for the offering. This week, we had a request for a turtle flow, slow flow, hatha-based yoga. If you'd like to join me for this little sample, sneak peek into our live stream room, make your way down onto the mat and in a tabletop, hands and knees position. You're going to firmly plant your hands, spread your fingers. Your hands are directly under your shoulders. Make sure you evenly distribute your weight into your fingertips and thumb tips. If you notice a little bubble occurring in the palm of your hand, press into that bubble. All of this hand positioning supports your wrists so that you don't run into any wrist pain. Your knees are directly under your hips. Just to get a little movement in the spine, we're going to move our left ear as close to our left hip as comfortable, and our right ear as close to our right hip as comfortable. Feeling the deep stretches in the sides of the body. Inhaling and exhaling through the nose. Coming back to your tabletop, move your body forward to the right, back to the left and around. You're making a circle with your body. Always moving at your own pace, honoring your body, doing only what feels right to you, and change the direction of your circle. All of this is a little warm up, making your way back to your tabletop for the pinnacle pose in my offering today. You're going to lower your belly as you lift your head and your sit bones. You imagine as though you have a string coming out of the crown on your head, lifting you up towards the sky. You imagine you have a string attached to your tailbone, again lifting you up towards the sky. Inhaling and exhaling through the nose. Feel the deep stretch in the belly, sending your awareness to the center of your belly. Now you arch your back, pretending as though there's a string at the center of your back pulling you up towards the sky. And now that string attached to the crown on your head and your sit bones are pulling them down towards your yoga mat. Inhaling and exhaling through the nose. Adding a little movement into the sequence. You move between your cat pose as your back is arched, and your cow pose as your belly drops towards the ground at your own pace. Wonderful. You can join me in a comfortable seat, whatever that looks like for you. If you'd like to have access to the full 1 hour yoga class which includes a guided relaxation meditation at the end for our Shavasana. Then make your way on over to the guest bungalow and enter the live stream room. We would love to have you as a part of our beautiful community. Wishing you a lovely rest of your day. Namaste.
Don't forget to stretch. Visit theguestbungalow.com today. We're open 24/7 to help you and your household unearth grace.